a crocodile hunter?
I was born into it. Didn't have a choice. My dad's a herpetologist and a very great naturalist and conservationist. My mum's a wildlife rehabilitator, so I was born into it, mate. Yeah.
And John Stainton, the director of the movie, first saw some visions Steve shot of himself catching crocodiles, and he said, "This is the most amazing thing I have ever seen. We've got to get this on television." And that was the birth of the Crocodile Hunter show.
Oh, mate, I don't know whether you can see it. I got hit by an alligator last night. Like,
Oh,
right
you're
here.
kidding.
Did a pretty heavy makeup job on it. It scratched on me. I was on the Jay Leno show and it goes, whack! Hit me right in the cheekbone. I'll get bitten occasionally, you know, every now and again, but it's never the animal's fault. It's always my fault. I know what I'm going up against when I go in, and if I take a hit, it's my fault. Like on Jay Leno last night, that alligator hit me. That's not his fault. I feel sorry for Bubba. Bubba is here somewhere. He's the best alligator you've ever seen. But nah, mate, I've never been bitten by a venomous snake. It's my dad. He is my hero, and I mimic him. And I'm scared of him kicking me in the bottom if I make a mistake.
And what's the premise of the Crocodile Hunter?
The Crocodile Hunter's all about conservation, mate. Woo! That's what makes us tick. Every single cent we earn from Crocodile Hunter is going straight back into conservation, bar no sense.
Great, thank you very much.